Those who fail to plan to fail, don't you think? Oh man. So I want to tell you a little story. I had a coaching client recently. We worked together to co-develop a social media marketing plan for her business. And the thing of it was, she was posting consistently on her social media platforms, which was fabulous, but she didn't know which posts were performing well, which of her posts were causing people to find out more information about her business and click through to her website and book those calls with her and those kind of things. So she was putting out consistent content, but it wasn't doing her business any favors. It wasn't driving any leads or providing any additional income for her business. So, long story short, she was wasting her time. So when we worked together and developed a social media marketing plan based on what works for her potential clients and her business, we turned that around for her. So she left me with a plan that was based on best practices and the success that she had had in the past, and now she's rocking it. So a social media marketing plan, it doesn't need to be complicated. Many people believe that it's hard, that it's going to be this big long document, that you need a marketing degree to develop these things. But I'm here to tell you that a social media marketing plan or a larger marketing plan in general can be a real key to your business's success. And I have a system where I co-create social media marketing plans for businesses in 7 easy steps. So I have created a social media content creation mini course, and the first module in that mini course is creating that social media marketing plan. Because remember, those who fail to plan to fail. So if you want to be successful, you need a plan. So in this mini course, I have content ideas and creating a posting plan, creating an image or a video and how to do that, create an effective image for your social media, and even how to write the captions that go along with that. So look below for the link to sign up for my content creation mini course. And remember, social media is social. So be yourself and be social on social media.